Welcome back, everyone. I'm Shortcut Sherry, and it's another Tip Tuesday. This week's tip is on OneDrive and sharing your files with other people to collaborate with you. So why am I in Microsoft Teams? Did you know that when you share a file with people in the chat in Teams, that's in the chat in Teams, not within the team itself, those files are actually stored in OneDrive. If I want to have Lynn help me with a particular document, I can click the attachment button on the message bar. And my options are from OneDrive or upload from my computer. If I choose upload from my computer and go to my documents and click open, if I wait just a moment, you'll see we have an option for the sharing of that file. How do we want to share it? Do we want to allow them to edit it? Do we want them to open it in review mode? Do we want just specific people to help us? You can refine the way this file is shared. I'm going to allow her to edit the document and click Apply. And then click Send. Let's go look and see what happened in OneDrive. That file is called Sales Invoice Template, and I don't see it in my files here. Where did it land? When you share a file using that method, uploading it to your computer, it puts it in this weird little folder called Microsoft Teams Chat Files. Here is that file. Now you want to be careful how you share your files because eventually this becomes a big document dump of stuff. You can look at it two ways. It centralizes everything you've shared, or it can also just be a big mess of things that you've shared. So it depends on how you work. I personally prefer to control how my content is organized. My preferred method is to upload the file to my OneDrive in the appropriate folder, then go back to Teams and use the Share from OneDrive option. Here's all the same content, organized the way I like it and how I can find things later instead of one big folder. That's my tip for this week. Thanks for watching. I'll be back next week with another great tip. In the meantime, check out these great events that we have coming up. And until next time, I'm Shortcut Sherry, and it's my job to make your job easier.